Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well in your quarantine or lockdown period here in Dubai. We have opened up totally. Of course, we do maintain social distancing and we practice and take into consideration a lot of safety precautions that we need to take to get over with this corona soon, and it feels so glad that the numbers are dropping down. So today I'll be doing Pixi Beauty package unboxing. Yes, I know it's one of the most awaited videos that I do, Pixi Beauty unboxing. But before I go ahead with it, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos, and also hit the notification button so that you don't miss out any of my videos and you're the first one to know when I upload a video. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. This box comes through a courier. Though the delivery courier fellow is following all the safety precautions and guidelines, but I request you all to sanitize your box, and also I leave it for good 1 or 2 days before I touch it to be triple sure, as safety is really an important feature. So opening this box with you, I don't know what's inside. But by the way, Pixi packages are really so beautiful, and I knew this one would be beautiful too. Hey, this is a sleep bag that you can use for travel as well. But this summer rather, we wouldn't be traveling, or I'm not traveling for this entire year thanks to this COVID. But let me talk about this package. It's so beautiful, the bag is so pretty, and you want to see what's written behind. It's Pixi Midsummer Festival. So let's read this together. Where I grew up in Sweden, midsummer is a summer festival to enjoy the longest day of the year. I would pick wildflowers while enjoying the magic of family and friends. In the Pixi house, it starts with an all-day lunch, followed by games, music, singing, dancing, and ending with a midnight swim. Wow, how wonderful. This year, I would like to share some essentials so that you can be midsummer ready. So these are the Pixi Summer Essential Bag, and with loads of love and happy midsummer, XOXO Petra. I love the little notes that they send in. It's really so touching. And now let's head on to see what's inside the bag. So opening this bag with you, I love doing unboxing with you all. It's so much fun. And here we have the first thing here is the glitter eyeshadow palette, the glitter eye squad. And it has all 4 pressed glitter shades, this eye twinkling quad of 4 pressed glittery shades, and you can apply it on bare lids or a layer on top of your favorite eye look. You can even create smoky eye with it. That's lovely, and it's got an innovative eye texture that is a finishing topper on a smoky eye. It will really enhance your smoky eye look. What to say, I love these 2 colors, the green and the blue. They are so pretty. Here, have a closer look. Aren't they so pretty? They're just too good, right? I love, it's a sea green, I suppose, and this is the bright blue. Yeah, I love it. And this is the pearl, and this is great. So in all, I totally love this glittery eyeshadow palette, and in fact I was looking for more glitter eyeshadow, and I'm glad that Pixi sent this in. Now let's go to the next item. We have a Pixi by Petra. I guess this is a glossy lip moisturizer. Wow, it's like pretty pink, and I'm sure it's lovely for the summer. Next, moving up, we have the Pixi Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloth. During travel, these really come in very handy because you always wouldn't be carrying a makeup remover and a cotton pad with you. So these makeup remover wipes come in really handy when you're traveling, and it's a very good summer essential. Now going ahead, what is next? Can you guess? This is Pixi Skin Treats H2o SkinDrink. Here is it. I'm protecting the light so that you can see this product. Yeah. And this one is an intensive moisture gel. It really rehydrates dry skin. Totally the product I think I will love. Mine is a dry skin, and I love products that really hydrate and plump up my skin. Of course, since it's hydration, I can see it comes with hyaluronic acid, but yes, there is fragrance to it, so I'll be looking at the ingredients later on to let you know how this is. Now going ahead, in this package there are metallic temporary tattoos. Aren't they so beautiful? Just love them. The golden glittery metallic tattoos that can be put on a clean dry skin. Lovely. Here are the shades, how they look in sunlight. I wanted you all to have a closer look. Can you see these shades? They are so beautiful, so pretty. So this is all in the Midsummer Festival package. So here are all the items today. It's glitter tattoos, makeup cleansing wipes, the lovely lip gloss in pinky, the glitter squad, and the hydrating drink. So good for your dry skin. It is really so good for dry skin. And above all, I love this bag. It is crazy. It is so good. I love all the items that have come in. Which is your favorite amongst all these products? Please do let me know. And also, how did you find the unboxing and these items? Which product do you think I should try first? Please do let me know in the comments below. I'll be so happy to hear from you. More than this, I am so excited to try all these products. I can't wait to create looks with all of them. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Till next time, bye-bye. And before you leave, if you haven't, please do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Lots of love from my side. Bye-bye.